Hello and welcome to this Concord Help Center video. This video focuses on how to use the Scriptural Quotations book icon in Concord. Let's first start by logging into Concord, and then you'll want to go to the Read panel. If you're on desktop, the Read panel is the panel with all the text on it, and if you're on mobile, the Read panel can be accessed by clicking on the Read button at the bottom of your screen. Next, we'll look for a book icon, which we have one here, and these book icons indicate a scriptural quotation. And clicking on the book icon will open up, in this case, for a Bible citation, all the times where Mary Baker Eddy references this Bible citation. So I'll click or tap on this icon, and it will open all of these scriptural quotations. And you'll see there's some from Science and Health and all of Mrs. Eddy's other writings. And you'll see that there are some from Science and Health, miscellaneous writings, and some of her other writings. And to view some of these references in her writings, you can click or tap on either the citation or the text, and it will launch you directly to that citation. So I'll click on Science and Health 320, line 1. So I'll tap. And you can see that God is love, which was being referenced in that Bible citation, appears here in Science and Health. There's a little book icon right next to this reference, and you can click or tap on that, and it will bring up the original Bible citation that we were just looking at, 1 John chapter 4, verse 8. So if we wanted to navigate back to that citation, we could by clicking or tapping on the text or the citation. And just like that, we're back looking at the Bible citation. In this case, this Bible citation is referenced many times by Mrs. Eddy, and so we can take a look at some of those other ones by going back to the book icon, clicking or tapping on it, and then choosing a different citation. So in this case, I could choose Miscellaneous Writings, page 96. To close the Scriptural Quotations book icon pop-up box, you can click on the X at the top right-hand side of the pop-up. This is just one way to see scriptural quotations in Concord. Another way would be to navigate to the Indexes area of the program. On desktop, the Indexes tab can be found in the Study Tools panel to the right of the Search tab. On mobile, you'll want to navigate to the Books button at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the Books button, and you'll see all the table of contents and headings for Mrs. Eddy's writings and the Bible. And then below that, towards the bottom of the screen, is a drop-down menu for indexes. So we'll click the drop-down arrow, and you'll see there's a Scriptural Quotations index, which you can view. To learn more about navigating these indexes, see our other video tutorial entitled How to Use Indexes for Mobile. We hope you found this video useful, and happy studying!